Looking for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Brushy Creek area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Georgetown's Brushy Creek area, you have probably been in a wreck. Accidents can occur quick and you'd never know what hit you. I am referring to what literally hit you. It will leave your head with a lot of questions, whether you need a full dent repair or just a quick repair for a minor scratch in the paint. Everything boils down to one question, though: where do I start? Watch this auto body shop video in Brushy Creek. One of the mainly commonly used ways of finding a trustworthy car accident repair shop is word-of-mouth recommendations. You will find a number of repair shops that claim to offer the best services. However, it is best to shortlist those repairers who many of your friends, family or acquaintances have tried. Their personal experience with a repairer can help you to a great degree in making a right decision. Auto Body Repairs estimates near Georgetown's Brushy Creek. To help you easily compute repair costs, your insurance provider may offer an online estimator that will only require you to go into some info about your car before you can view the precise insurance coverage. Auto Body Repairs insurance coverage: if your car is insured for any type of damage, repairable or non-repairable, the company needs to take obligation for all costs. Therefore, the accident repair providers generally access the insurance firms and offer the quote for unquote. This is then negotiated and agreed upon, considering your coverage and policy. Auto Body Repairs equipment: high-tech equipment is now offered at auto repair shops, like the laser measuring system. This system ensures that the repair is done precisely. Auto Body Repairs technicians: many a times, car accidents involve more than mere external damage. The wheels get demolished, radiators crushed, exhaust bent and more. You should also get the transmission and alignment inspected. The best mechanic in the right shop ensure your car is as good as new before returning it to you. Auto Body Repairs near me: certainly, the most essential element here is your personal safety. It's reasonable if people want to scrimp with the costs for minor car repairs, but nothing should be more crucial than your own security. Remember, it's better to have no car at all than to drive one which poses a major threat to your life, and even to your families. The best auto body shop near you will ensure you are safe. Auto Body Part: there are numerous dangers you face with a substandard car repair. Accident repairs will be costly, but don't let this overwhelm you. With all the dangers involved with inexpensive and unprofessional repair, the smarter choice will always be to have your car repaired and restored at a credible and insurance company approved pre-owned car accident center who carries many of the parts needed to fix damaged cars. Require the highest quality car, truck, SUV painting. In auto body shops, most common repair job is painting or repainting a car. Even an easy scratch can make your car look unappealing. Some auto repair shops already utilize an electronic paint matching system that guarantees the new paint on your car match up with your old paint perfectly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.